Cat Center. Preseason coverage from training camp. We'll take you to the Hardee's and Mountain Lions camps and check in with the adorable first-round pick, Ryan Fitzpatrick.
Welcome back to Cat Center. I'm John Sterling.
And I'm Mary Carrillo.
The dust has settled from last week's FFL draft. Cuddly catleys are out to prove their worth on the field of training camp.
We take you to Hallmark Channel Hardee's camp. Lovable sleeper pick Wes Whisker owning the cone slalom.
Take a look at heartthrob Joe Fluffel. He's been earning his paycheck on the agility tire.
Over at the Hallmark Movies and Mysteries Mountain Lions camp, America's sweetheart, Ryan Fitzpatrick, leaping over the competition on the mini hurdle.
But no cat stands out more than the master of the nuzzling sleds, Terrell Snuggs.
For John Sterling, I'm Mary Carrillo. Thanks for watching Cat Center.
For more Cat Center updates, go to CatCenterTV.com. And don't miss Kitten Bowl II, Sunday, February 1st on Hallmark Channel.